Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to replace the batteries of the Blink XT or XT1. Probably the XT2 will be the same, but it's not out there and I don't have it, so I can't show you how this works, but I guess it's pretty similar. So of course you have to take it off the mount, and then here you have to push down in the direction of the arrow, and at the same time you pull the back plate to the back, take the batteries out of course, and put the new ones in. So here I had the before I have tried to use it with alkaline batteries, didn't work. I have made another videos about that, so now I'm replacing them with lithium batteries. What you have to be careful, you have to align the gaps here. There's a gap for the micro USB, so it has to be on the same side, but you don't need to push the arrow or something like that. Just push the back plate on to the back and you're done. What I highly recommend when you are doing this, it's a good time to clean the lens and the infrared sensor because it can collect some dirt over time. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. It's a little bit difficult with one hand, but yeah, still hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.